Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Gomez application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the My Account button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the notification settings section, tap on it. Then you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to enable the application to have access to your notifications. So click on the second button, then tap on this button, allow notifications. Go back to the app, tap on notification settings, and you are going to see that it has been enabled and turned on, so you are going to get notifications. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.